as a brand, what was your standpoint during the time of pandemic, in terms of so there is a thin line between keeping the conversation going, at the same time not sounding too offensive. So where and how did you balance it?
Right. So, we've all learned about, especially marketeers and communication professionals. We sit with their agencies and we look at crisis management protocols and SOPs which we will implement within the organization, and we sort of keep that framework being updated every time. But all of that went for a toss. Immediately. I think it was nothing which all of us imagined. So there was no set formula for us, to be honest. So we had to discover it ourselves. The journey, what's going to be. What really helped is, see, the consumer was obviously evolving, was changing, and as a brand, and also brands which actually looked at addressing consumer concerns in some way. For example, brands which upright communicated that they're upping their production facility to meet demands. That's what the role of communication also became. It wasn't always about building, taking an opportunity and selling more, or doing a tactical sale. Brands which actually put consumer in the forefront and understood what the consumer was thinking and communicate as per that is what I feel sort of worked. Brands which gave a solution to a customer also worked. We've seen a lot of that happening, and within the entertainment industry as well, we have seen a lot of innovation happening in this space. As I mentioned, when we became a necessity product, we had a lot of important roles to play in a consumer's life, right? There is no content being created, but how do we still entertain the customer in the best way possible, so that they stay at home? So we were playing that role. So as Shemaroo, what the stand we took is that we will keep the communication on. So that was very important for us. It's simple when as humans, when we're in a relationship, and when it's a moment of crisis, or between two people there is some sort of a emotional turmoil happening, you do not stop communicating. That's the last thing you do, because it's going to make the divide even further. We were in this as much as our consumers were, right? And I think the more open we are about what we are as a brand, what we stand for, what we're trying to bring out to our consumers, the consumers would embrace that more. And I think that's something I truly believe as a marketer, that it's the human part of the brand. You have to keep communicating. You don't sort of wait that when it's a good time only then I'll communicate. That doesn't work, because the consumer is attached to you for a certain reason, and you just don't distance yourself away because it's a moment of crisis. Actually, you should try and over communicate so that you become even closer to the consumer, and that's something which Shemaroo we continue to do. I can even give you an example. Within the lockdown period, we launched a full-blown Hindi general entertainment channel called Shemaroo TV on 1st of May 2020, peak of lockdown, because we felt that there are so many consumers sitting at home right now. We had a plan to launch it. It's not that we planned it during the lockdown, but we said, why hold it back? Why not go and launch it? And we also looked at the landscape. At that point of time, print was not being circulated. Outdoor, there were no opportunities. We partnered with Facebook. We became the first channel in the world to live stream and launch on Facebook. So we embraced digital. Everybody had two screens at their disposal. One is your TV screen, the one right behind you, and one is the mobile screen, right? So there were two screens which people had at all times. So we said, let's try and see if we can tell people about what we are able to offer through a mobile screen. And that's what the partnership led to. We didn't stop at that. We did multiple new initiatives and innovations on our OTT space, to the extent we recently upped our entire offering for the Gujarat market. In the regional space, we've entered in a big way with the promise of a new content every week. While we have 500 plus content pieces, we also are adding in new unreleased movies, web series, every week. So our belief as an organization is that don't stop the communication. Keep it going. The pandemic has affected us in multiple ways, but we also have a responsibility to play in the consumer's life. And how can we fulfill?